first appearance on the Western Front was this day to strike terror into the hearts of the enemy. 75 miles away was her target, the Cathedral of Notre Dame.
Range, 95,452.
Range, 95,452.
Yes, sir. And clear! Fire!
Hey, stand by your trigger.
Yes, sir.
Range correction, 95,455.
Range, 95,455.
Yes, sir.
Breach secured.
Stand clear.
Ready.
Fire! Defective shell. We'll examine it. Come on. Come on. Come on. We'd better check the fuse.
Yes, check the fuse.
Yes, sir. The fuse. Look out! Come on, run! What's that? An air raid! That's a big weapon! Right to the anti-aircraft gun! There again! Quick! Are you going crazy? Come down out of there! Get up there, will you? What do you think you're doing? You gone crazy?
Sorry,
sir. Report from Chaplin's mouth. The enemy have broken through. Every man to the front. Muster the gun crew, quick. You report to Sergeant Bloom. Come on!
Get your hand grenade there, soldiers. Come on there, get your hand grenade. Hey, soldier, where's your hand grenade? Hey, come here. Where's your hand grenade?
In the building, sir.
Get my hand grenade. Go on.
Keep moving. Come along. Move forward. Hurry up. Come along. Hurry up.
Pardon me, sir. But to work this, how do you...
Pull the pin, cow can, and throw it.
Let him have it! Hey, come on!
Hey, this is no time to scratch.